to my channel. Thank you so much for your support, motivation and love. I'm really overwhelmed with the blessings I've been showered upon. Thank you so much. In this process, even I am growing, and along with me lots of people are also growing. Please keep your blessings coming the same way. This reading is not a time specific reading. This reading is a sign specific reading. This reading is dedicated to the zodiac sign Scorpio. Please do not get confused with sun, moon, rising or Venus sign. Whatever sign resonates with you, please see the video. And if the reading resonates with you, please write in the comment section below. And if you have any further insights, if you need any further more directions, if you need further more guidance, if you have any other certain topics on which you would like to see reading on, please do write in the comment section below. If you want to reach out to me, I'm open to one-to-one readings. Do reach out to me on the information is provided in the description box below. And let's move on. Scorpions, how are you? Very passionate people, strong, loyal. How are you all doing? Okay, my Scorpions. Recently, you are involved in some of the medical procedures, or certain medical issues is going on in your family, or you have just recently passed through that phase in which there were a lot of connection with doctors and this health practitioners, and this phase is also going on right now. So please take good care of yourself. Always consult a proper doctor. Always consult a good health practitioner. Taking guidance from anyone is okay in its way, but do not take your health very lightly. Take good care of your health. This is essential. This is very much important, because if you have your health in your hands, then only you can achieve your goals, whatever you want to make out, whatever blueprints you want to have further in your life, whatever way you want to shape your life is only possible only if you have your health in your hands. So please take proper care of your health. And you have already been given a lot of suggestions. You have already been given directions. Please follow the advice. Along with this, I also see there are certain people associated who are very close to you. They are also in need of some medical help. They are also in need of some medical advices. Please do take care of their health also. Do not do carelessness as far as health is concerned. Please do take them to the medical practitioners. I'm sorry for the disturbance. I had a call. I had to just put it on mute. So continuing further, please look after your health. Look after your relatives and close ones' health. It is okay to be slightly take some rest. Take some time to preserve your energy. Take some time to spend some time with your closed ones, and it is not going to affect you in any negative way, but it is only going to affect you in more positive way, and it is also going to help you grow forward. You will feel more powerful. You will feel more happy in the process. So please do that. And the way you can do this is that you already have that compassionate nature. You already have that strong intuition. You already have that strong inclination towards those people who are very much close to you. This is very much essential. This is important for you as well, because not only you are going to take not only you are going to take care of yourself. See, what happens is, you have been given a certain advice, you have been given a certain medical direction from the medical practitioners. You must not take it lightly. For you, for anyone who's concerned to you, your relatives, your friends, your colleagues, please look into it. I see further moving forward, it will not only help you out, but it will also help out others, as well as through this experience you can share your wisdom with them. And most importantly, you have to adjust yourself as per the flow. Please do not be rigid, please do not stand strictly, please do not no, I'm not going to listen to this, I'm not going to do that, this is not right, this is not. Please do not become a doctor of yourself. Every now and then you must have come across people, they start giving advices. It is okay when people give you advice, do listen out to them. But when a proper person of that experience, of that expertise, is providing you with some experience, do listen to him and follow it out. Okay, Scorpions, please take care of your health. This is what I'm reading for you right now. And look after yourself. Stay strong, stay focused, and God bless. And we'll meet you soon again. Thank you so much.